The Allahabad High Court Lucknow bench verdict on Babri Masjid title suit is fully unjust, not based on facts and records, but merely dependent on the religious faith, beliefs and superstitions of one section of Hindu society. Moreover, the suggestion of the majority judgment to divide the land, Babri Masjid land, into 3 equal portions is not at all practical. This has been pointed out by eminent jurists, scholars, academicians and leaders. The Muslim stand on Babri Masjid title suit is very clear. The masjid, once it is built, remains to be a masjid even after its demolition. But the community has full faith in rule of law and judiciary. The community, the Muslims, have waited for more than 6 decades to establish their legitimate right, but unfortunately the High Court has timed down the claim of Muslims. So even before the judgment and after the judgment, all the Muslim leaders have made it clear that we will go for the next option, that is the appeal before the Supreme Court. There is no grounds in the opinion expressed by some leaders that the doors of negotiations have been opened because of this judgment. Of course, negotiations are preferred to prolonged litigation. But in any negotiation at this point of time, in the aftermath of an unjust verdict, and that too with those forces who were instrumental in demolishing the masjid, it is a sheer waste of time and energy, and it is a futile exercise. The UP Central Sunni Wakf Board has rightly decided immediately after the verdict to appeal before the Supreme Court. On behalf of Popular Front of India, I have an opportunity to discuss the matter with the President of the UP Sunni Muslim Wakf Board, Mr. Zufar Ahmad Faruqi, and also Mr. Safriyab Jinani, who is the leading counsel of the Wakf Board, just before the personal board meeting held at Lucknow. So they have made it very categorical that the steps are going on and there is no other option. Of course, just before, in the background of the personal board meeting which was held in Lucknow on 16th of October, there were some groups working for a decision from the Muslim Personal Law Board instead of or along with going to the Supreme Court, we must start negotiations. We may even think of donating the land as a gesture. But in personal law board working committee meeting, in which I also have attended as a special invitee, the board in its final resolution made it clear that the appeal before the Supreme Court is the option, and also the board has decided to constitute a Babri Masjid legal aid fund. But it is very unfortunate that after the Muslim Personal Law Board meeting, a few days before, some members of the Personal Law Board themselves have started some negotiations. Some members who were present in the meeting. And surprising aspect of this episode is that they have negotiation. We don't know what they have negotiated with hardcore RSS leaders, including Mr. Indresh Kumar, who is charge-sheeted in Ajmer case. And also it is learned that they had some video conferencing with people or godmen, we can use the term, like Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, who were always with a pro-Hindutva stand. So it is in the interest of the Muslims that all these futile exercises should be stopped, and all Muslim leaders, all Muslim organizations, all Muslim institutions should support Muslim Personal Law Board as well as the Sunni Central Wakf Board to fight this case in the Supreme Court to the end till we get justice.